perm in the house. Tractors. Only in Chino, baby. John Deere. Here you go, guys. We're back. But yeah, that's total BS. There's our camp on the corner there of Central and Chino.
That's like a 58 or what is that?
I don't even know, man, but with the two cannons on it. I want to hear the cannons.
It's like a 39.
Is it a 39?
Yeah.
Crazy. Now we're going through Truckers Row. Oh man, look at this.
Polished, bro. Took some time.
That is sexy.
Oh, no.
That is one sexy Camaro right there.
Yeah, look at the kid sitting out the window.
69.
Yeah.
RSSS.
RSSS. Louvers.
Louvers. He's got the grill. You know, they make a grill like that now for the C10 with the same look. And they have it with open headlights, some of those grills. And both Robert and I agree that the open headlight grill looks better. Remember we were looking at that? Yeah. It just doesn't look quite right on the C10. But they did like a Camaro grill for the C10, the 69 grill.
Yeah.
But with that style like Camaro, it's
like
badass. The grill's also $2,000
I
though
know
with the
what
louvers.
you're talking about, but like it's just really like this is something that's cool about the old cars. Like,
well, I love
like
it on that car.
Induction on the Chevelle, you know, even though it doesn't really work, it works. It has pressure to it, so it opens and closes. It's just something cool. You turn the car up and it opens up. You're like, yeah. And I put in my Chevelle. I had them when we rewired. I put the yellow trunk button like in the Cadillacs. When I was a kid, I used to love pushing the button in my dad's caddy. And my builder, he's like, "That's all you want?" I'm like, "Yeah, just put my caddy button in there." He went and got a yellow caddy button. He put it in the trunk, and then one other thing I have on my auxiliary button on my Jeep on it.
Look at that.
That's right.
Willie's. I believe that's a 60 Bonneville right there. Nice 32. This thing's sick. We got the kids hanging out of the Camaro. Yeah. Look at that. That's awesome.
Got her arm around her so she don't fall out.
They're smart.
You know what?
Oh, that's great.
See on the holes on the wheels how they're green?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Look at that. Right behind her.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I need to go. I need to take pictures of that.
Red trim.
Send me pictures.
Fun.
Take the motor out of the Chevy Love and put it in the Land Cruiser. He wants Chris to do it.
See, and I talked him into doing the Pizza Planet truck, and I guess he changed his mind again. Look at the kids in the Camaro. That's great. 269s in a row.
Industrial injection and say we're going to see him up with a fire truck. You need a motor.
Another split bumper.
I'll call him and ask him.
Yeah.
32.
Well, Chris,
Negative camber.
he said that my mouth got us MTX.
What?
My mouth.
65.
More and more people. He says they're all on board. Look at that guy right there. 4 feet run, baby.
There he goes. There he is. He's a busy man. He's walking.
One day a year, gets you some of this.
That's right. Great stuff here. Another early Monty. The 6.3 sitting here now. There's no music, which is great. There's that murdered out 6.3.
The Monterey C10 is gorgeous too.
I do love it.
Just the right amount.
65.
Everything's beautiful.
Nice amount of scratch on it.
Beautiful.
But this Camaro though too, and I'm a freak for a good orange. I mean, I really love a good orange, and that's a good orange.
I prefer head green.
Well, you know, if you want to get picky,
76 orange. Yeah,
you know, I like a blood orange.
Oh, so he's making us Kawasaki.
Look at the SS.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I want. Jerry's gonna go overwhelmed.
International.
I gave him such a big order this time. He didn't even know what to do.
Check this out.
Don't go anywhere without their shit.
That's why I'm always about
We're
uniformity
all
on
going
the
to Pismo.
uniforms.
My dad. I called my dad and I said he didn't because
Caddy, 63, 64. I know 63 DeBille.
I really think it's a show that you'll enjoy.
72 right there. C10.
Keep an eye on you.
70 Chevelle. I mean, Challenger. What am I saying?
Yeah, we'll
Firebird.
We'll figure it out. Yeah.
Bill Nichols.
He said, well, and then Mara Whittington.
Packard, yeah.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah, we
Chevrolet.
definitely got an extra.
Oh, hey! What's going on? So there's that Big Joe, the pink Cuda. So freaking rare. John McDonald!
Need a ticket to Still Beach.
Tribe's in the house. Tribe's in the house.
Give me 1 minute, Ollie.
Look at it. Yo, yo! Tribe! Tribe Car Club in the house. Sister club for us. Great bunch of guys. Ron Medina, Big Ron. Rest in peace, brother. There's his truck right there. Speaking of a really nice Malibu.
Tribe Car Club
The best.
in the house. Here in full swing. They've been mourning. Big Ron's on the bench. It's good to see them. Proud of those guys. That's my family. I love them.
Great club. That's Ron's Suburban right there. Yeah, Big Ron. And yeah, we miss Ron, but the Tribe is a great car club. Love this Ruby right here. Look at the wheels on that sucker, dude. And he's got the shields. I love the fact you put the look at that. You put the caliper shields on there too to hide his brakes. It's really bitchin'. Look at this Nova coming up, man. 67. Nice.
Hey.
Oh, it's a Chevy too. It's not a Nova.
Hey. I'll call Mark and stuff. You guys come down this summer. We'll pull the bench out. We'll roll downtown. And we'll take 2 passes by.
Do it, man. All right,
Okay?
Perm. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys.
Love you, man. Hey, getting right over.
How you doing, bro? How's it going?
They love us. We love them. They're definitely a sister club. Hi. How's it going? Shooting for PCTV right now. There he is. Hey, what's up? Listen to that Mustang, man. Jamming. So, yes, we're riding the Alley Cat Buffet. There's Lavinia and Brian.
Lavinia and
Chuck.
Chuck. Get you some. We're praying for you, Lavinia.
Lavinia and Chuck in the
Love you,
house.
Mama.
Whole group
I don't
out.
think
all
I said her
kinds.
name right, but that's all right.
No, you said it, Lavinia. You did. I got it wrong. And then, Bitchalitis!
Hey, stop by the liquor store, please, Alley Cat.
Nice Caprice. Look at that, dude. He's got a full slider in that Caprice.
That thing is beautiful.
6'4". That's what I used to own that car right there, except in red. I had that identical car in red.
Why
With
is it
the
so
wires and
hot?
everything.
Because we're at Cornfield. We're at Chino.
What
That's
did you
right.
see? Oh, look at the 914, man. I had one of those too. I had a black 914. Oh, is that Mike?
That's Mike's,
Mike Andrews, right?
that's one more ride.
I think that's Mike.
That's a girl, bro.
Oh, okay. So usually it's what, Mike? I can't remember his name right now. Mike Andrews?
You got 3,000.
Well, you do a turnaround, we had to. Look at this, guys. But yeah, this is just doing the cruise. We got so much to walk today.
Last year the street was empty up here. This year it's full.
It's a full
house, baby.
TR250. Holy moly.
I put ambulance on my feet. I demoed yesterday. My feet were sore when I woke up this morning.
You put new shoes on this morning? I got to get some new shoes, man. But look at all this stuff out here. Look at dude,
I gotta
just
lose-
the Impala.
I gotta lose more weight. That's
That
all.
makes 2 of
Lose
us.
about 20 pounds.
Just the Impalas alone is out of
My feet
control.
are hurting.
Yeah, I need to lose 70. But, you know, what can I say? Look at this. Beautiful deluxe. Giving out stickers.
later, Hot Rod.
Look at the deluxers. Look at that. Hot rodding. 63.
That's a beautiful color.
Nice. Oh, talk about it. Look at that root beer brown.
Yeah,
That
root
is
beer brown.
just gorgeous. Oh. Dude, that is just, it's almost regal. It's almost freaking regal.
You just want to cruise that thing.
So look at this one. Look at the T across the way here.
Look at the
that
68
thing, dude.
Caddy, dude.
Oh, the Caddy's badass. That's a 60. Oh, it is a 68. Yeah, the side light is so much smaller. And then look at the T next to it. And then I think that's a 66.
Alley Cat, I'm roasting.
But this little 67 Deuce is bad to the bone. So we got a lot to see. Got a lot of cruising around to do. Nice, Effie. Oh, there he is again. We just saw him at Orange Plaza. Dude, 60. Sick. I can't even whistle. Need me just whistle. Look at the patina, nice Nova, double nickel, 210 double nickel, 59 wagon. Oh no, 61 wagon. Wow, cool. 59. Wow. That's looking like a 67, 66, and then 63. Dude, look at that deluxe convertible across the way. Nice talking Ranchero, another double nickel. Got an Apache looking like a 38 right there. Yep, 38 Chevy. There's an SS.
That's the light.
69. You can go to the Farmacia.
No, the liquor store. I
The
got
Farmacia. The Farmacia.
La pinche Panama y una puta de La Paz.
All right, cool. Riding in the back of the Alley Cat, you guys, on YouTube.
Thank you guys for your services.
I want to do a lap on the horse.
Thank you.
Yep.
Chino PD, baby.
There we go. First responders in the house. Yeah.
I think they never give us any shit.
They know we appreciate
We
them.
appreciate them.
And we treasure our police and our first responders.
And we treasure our little bit of freedom they give us. We don't overstep it, but we get to sit in the back of the pick-em-up trucks. We get to cruise.
And there's the liquor store.
Found the liquor store.
She's rolling. Guys, it's a heck of a time we're having here. Hey, Heather, say hi. Yeah. Or shooting back. Yeah. All right, this is Chino, Corn Feed. We're having a hell of a time here on PCTV. Love having you guys aboard here and look forward to doing more. Just keep on. Look at this, man. 58. Apache. Beautiful red. 59. The 64 F100 here. Listen to this. Show, man. Just waiting for Big Perm to go get his Mexican Coke. Oh, look at this caddy. Woo! Man, that is sexy. That is pure sexy right there. 1947. Yep.
Look for that, Brett.
That is Mexican Coke. Oh, hey, you want to do a Mexican Coke ad?
Yeah, hey. Down here at Sur City Classes, we don't endorse anything, baby, you know?
No product
No
endorsement.
product endorsement. Shake and bake, Ricky Bobby, get you some.
That's right. This 47 is off the hook. But we don't have Chester Cheetah with us this year.
Oh, you got a little something.
Look at the line. Look at the line. Oh, I don't drink the
My body
beer.
hurts so bad, bro. I'm in so much pain from getting home yesterday. Poor out doing a Don Julio and call me in the morning and say, check your shoes.
This is fun. Look at the crowd here. Oh, we got more music coming up. Got to shut her down for a second. Sorry, guys.
They stopped.
Gotta wait for the music. Oh, it is Eddie. Oh, lost my watch.
Check it out, baby.
That's great. With all these Series 1s, we got Impalas, we got 63s, we got 65s, we got Deluxes, we got 4-doors.
I got my caffeine. We don't
got your caffeine.
endorse anything down here at Sur City Classes. baby.
Wonder Bread, Domino's,
Cheetos, I want to thank Chester.
Chester Cheetah. Oh, beautiful 64.
I want to thank Don Julio.
Don Julio. I'd like to thank Modelo. Modelo Foo. Let's thank Modelo. Oh, look at that GMC Suburban.
More soul radio.